When is the best time to buy property? Now, this is a question I get asked over and over again, probably 2 to 3 times a week at the moment by various different people. And the simple answer is there is no such thing as a perfect time. It's only with hindsight that we know in, say, 2003 that yes, that was a really good time, or 2019, yes, that would have been a really smart time to buy. At those moments in time though, it wasn't necessarily that obvious. So what I always say to people is to educate yourself, and rather than listening, like, by all means take input from others, but make up your own mind and your own decision. So one of the easiest things that I did in the early days to educate myself, really simple on this, I would go on Rightmove every day. I'd have my search bracket for price, location, etc. And I would do a 24-hour search every day. And I would consistently look at that. I'd look at what's come on, what's been reduced, what's sold, what's not sold. And I'd start building up a bit of knowledge around that. Now, unfortunately, this does take time for the impatient ones of those of you out there. It is just time served. There's no way of fast tracking it in my experience. But if you consistently do this over time, then after a while you will start to be able to kind of spot stuff and go, oh, actually that stands out. That's a bit cheaper, or wow, that's expensive, or that's good for that area, etc. The trend I'm seeing at the moment, there's a lot of reductions coming on. Some days for the area I search in, there's about 1/3 of properties coming on that are being reduced. Some stuff is still selling well, and it's that's priced right. So what's happening at the moment, we're getting a bit of a equalisation, if you like. A lot of stuff has been massively overpriced. We've been going through a huge boom, obviously, and some of those are just selling straight off if they're really good quality. Others are just massively overpriced. They're the ones that we're starting to see getting reduced. So we're seeing a calming down of the market. But yeah, basically do your own research, take your time, and don't, for God's sake, rush into it. We're in a very volatile market at the moment. So yeah, just do your research and get educated on it. Hope that helps. If you're interested in this stuff or anything like it, please do head over to the website. I've got a free newsletter where it's just going to start chucking out loads of free stuff about this sort of thing. So look forward to seeing you soon. Cheers, bye.